to recover deleted TikTok messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right. After you're in Settings, scroll down and click on Account. In Account, you'll find Download Your Data. Click on Download Your Data. After you click on Download Your Data, in here, select Direct Messages and press on Request Data at the bottom. After your data is requested, you'll find it in your mail, or you can simply click on here, simply select it, and download everything. After you download everything, you'll find all your deleted messages of TikTok in the file. This is how to recover deleted TikTok messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.